Today, I'm going to teach you how to auto-redirect your Blogger website to another website. This is incredibly useful if you're moving your content to a new domain or want to send visitors from old blog posts to updated pages on a different site. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and navigate to blogger.com. Once you're there, log into your Blogger account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that contains the blog you want to set up redirects for. This is important because you'll need full access to the blog settings to make these changes. After logging in, you'll see your Blogger dashboard. Look over to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Settings. This section is your control center for managing everything about your blog, from basic information to advanced configurations like the redirects we're about to create. Now, within the Settings page, scroll down until you find a section labeled Errors and Redirects. This area is specifically designed to help you manage how your blog handles broken links and custom URL redirects. Right under this heading, you'll see an option called Custom Redirect. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll be able to create rules that automatically send visitors from one page to another. Once you're in the Custom Redirect section, click on Add. This opens up a form where you can specify the details of your redirect. In the From field, input the specific page path you want to redirect. For example, if you have a blog post at your blog.blogspot.com/2024/oldpost.html, you would enter just the path portion like /2024/oldpost.html. Then in the To field, input the complete URL where you want visitors to be sent. This should be the full address, including http:// or https:// followed by the domain and page path. Next, you'll see an option labeled Permanent. Enable this by clicking the checkbox or toggle next to it. Enabling Permanent tells search engines that this redirect is meant to last forever, which is important for maintaining your SEO rankings. Once you've filled everything out and enabled Permanent, click OK to confirm this redirect rule. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the top or bottom of the settings page. This ensures all your changes are applied and your redirects become active immediately. And that's it. You've successfully set up an auto redirect on your Blogger website, sending visitors seamlessly to your new destination. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.